Midsize three-row SUVs like the 2018 Volkswagen Atlas are gaining popularity among buyers looking for family vehicles. The first model year of Atlas production was also the worst so far, with 441 NHTSA complaints and an unprecedented 15 recalls in a single year. The vehicle's reliability is not looking good. These encompass a variety of engine, transmission, battery, and safety issues in addition to a few typical ones. Although this car is aggressively priced, with starting prices as low as $31,000, is it still a good investment? Let's take a closer look at the 2018 Volkswagen Atlas problems. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Mechanical problems. The car's problems with coolant leaks have been the subject of numerous complaints. Water pumps, head gaskets, and other components have all been identified as defective in some vehicles. In most cases, the failure occurs again. A few complaints have also been made about the car's suspension system, but one of them was resolved through recalls. Common issues include warped wheel wells, broken springs, and others. The lack of securing clips and the presence of metal debris inside the engine appear to be two additional issues with the engine that have drawn criticism. The result is total engine failure. Numerous cars have reported brake issues, such as booster failures, grinding noises, uneven brake assistance, parking brake problems, etc. There are many cars that have steering issues. The problem is with the steering module, which makes driving dangerous because the steering becomes non-operational. Additionally, a lot of customers have reported issues with the car's starter motor. The car won't start properly. Problems with the catalytic converter are another minor failure. Numerous owners have experienced fuel pump issues. In response, the engine completely shuts off, and occasionally a fuel odor is released. Fuel injector failures have only rarely been reported by owners, and this component is very expensive. Electrical system problems. Numerous owners have voiced their complaints about the vehicle's failing battery. One owner claimed that the car constantly shifts out of eco mode and does not stay in it. Meanwhile, there are numerous suspension noises and sporadic shutdowns of the digital display. The door locks are a well-known source of issues because they attempt to unlock while the car is moving. Many owners have complained that they are unable to properly operate the vehicle because it will sometimes put itself into emergency mode. Exterior problems. Few owners have voiced their complaints about the headlights and fog lights occasionally not working. Safety problems. Owners learn the hard way that some child seats are incompatible, and the company occasionally takes too long to address these complaints with the Atlas recall, which has led to a lot of complaints about the seatbelt buckle recall. The car's airbags have received numerous complaints over the years. They occasionally fail to deploy during accidents, which cause serious injuries. Other times, the instrument cluster will flash a warning light. Many times, complaints have been made about how slowly the VW Atlas recall has been handled. When there is nothing in front of the car, the emergency braking also activates, leading to rear-end collisions. There have been complaints about how erratically the blind spot awareness system operates. Interior problems. The fitment, actuation, and other aspects of the seats are frequently the subject of complaints. Some people have complained that the sunroof lets water into the cabin. Mold also develops on the roof as a result of it. Recalls. There are 15 recalls. The full list of them now you can see on the screen. It's huge, so you may pause the video. Should you buy? The 2018 Volkswagen Atlas has made numerous attempts to establish itself in the market but has been unsuccessful in doing so in many ways. The staggering 441 complaints and 15 recalls show that the car has never been able to perform well in terms of reliability. Despite the history of Volkswagen Atlas recalls, this is the exact type of vehicle we would urge people to avoid, so please do not purchase one, at least the 2018 model year.